To get plus adjective, meaning, to become. Show a change of state, or condition.
To get better.
To get better.
Don't touch the stove until it gets cool.
Don't touch the stove until it gets cool.
Your coffee's getting cold.
Your coffee's getting cold.
It's getting hotter.
It's getting hotter.
Is your cold getting any better?
Is your cold getting any better?
I was starting to get tired.
I was starting to get tired.
If the symptoms get worse, consult your doctor.
If the symptoms get worse, consult your doctor.
You'll soon get used to the climate here.
You'll soon get used to the climate here. He got fed up with all the traveling he had to do.
He got fed up with all the traveling he had to do.
She was getting sick of hearing him complain.
She was getting sick of hearing him complain. After a while you get used to all the noise.
After a while you get used to all the noise.
I'm getting tired of all this nonsense.
I'm getting tired of all this nonsense.
He gets really upset if you mention his baldness.
He gets really upset if you mention his baldness.
Don't get mad, I was only kidding.
Don't get mad, I was only kidding.
I never once saw him get angry or upset.
I never once saw him get angry or upset.
They plan to get married in the summer.
They plan to get married in the summer. He's gotten so big, I hardly recognized him.
He's gotten so big, I hardly recognized him.
As he's got older, his tastes have changed.
As he's got older, his tastes have changed. My mother's getting old and needs looking after.
My mother's getting old and needs looking after.
I am getting old.
I am getting old.
She's upstairs getting ready.
She's upstairs getting ready. We'd better get moving or we'll be late.
We'd better get moving or we'll be late.
What time do you get off work?
What time do you get off work?
He got drunk and passed out.
He got drunk and passed out.
We ought to go, it's getting late.
We ought to go. It's getting late. It gets dark very early in the winter.
It gets dark very early in the winter.
It was getting dark now and we were tired.
It was getting dark now and we were tired.
There's nothing to get excited about.
There's nothing to get excited about.
Tom got lost in the woods.
Tom got lost in the woods.
Your essay gets a bit confused halfway through when you introduce too many ideas at once.
Your essay gets a bit confused halfway through when you introduce too many ideas at once.
The music just gets distorted when you play it so loud.
The music just gets distorted when you play it so loud.
Go ahead, try a new hairstyle, get crazy, you're only young ones. Go ahead, try a new hairstyle, get crazy, you're only young ones.
Do retirement plan administrators get crazy?
Do retirement plan administrators get crazy?
Children always suffer when their parents get divorced.
Children always suffer when their parents get divorced.
How we're getting safer vehicles on our streets.
How we're getting safer vehicles on our streets.
To get dressed.
To get dressed.
Jane's in the bedroom getting dressed.
Jane's in the bedroom getting dressed.
The trouble with this carpet is that it gets dirty very easily.
The trouble with this carpet is that it gets dirty very easily.
Don't get your dress dirty.
Don't get your dress dirty.
He got his fingers caught in the door.
He got his fingers caught in the door.
She soon got the children ready for school.
She soon got the children ready for school.